In the ever-evolving world of automotive innovation, Mercedes has just unveiled a groundbreaking engine that no one saw coming. While most automakers are shifting their focus to electric vehicles, Mercedes decided to flip the script, dropping a bombshell with their latest engine innovation. The level of power, performance, and engineering precision packed into this engine has stunned experts and enthusiasts alike. Today, we dive deep into the details of Mercedes' latest creation and uncover why it's sending shock waves through the entire automotive world. Mercedes' aggressive U-turn. The world has largely embraced electric vehicles as the future, with many seeing them as the moral choice for the environment. But Mercedes-Benz has just made a bold and unexpected move that's turning heads across the industry. After previously committing to a strategy focused on electrifying all its models and aiming for electric-on sales by 2030, the luxury car giant has now pressed pause on those plans. It was on track to align with global efforts to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. But suddenly, things have shifted. Mercedes has decided to revisit its roots, introducing a powerful new internal combustion engine that's shaking up the automotive world. While many automakers are delaying their transition to electric vehicles, Mercedes isn't slowing down. Instead, they are doubling down on perfecting their traditional engines. This new engine promises not only exceptional efficiency but also cutting-edge performance, ensuring Mercedes stays on top of its game. It seems like they want to make one final statement with a roaring engine before many others go silent with their quieter electric cars. To further excite fans of internal combustion engines, Mercedes recently announced a staggering $15 billion investment in advanced combustion engine technology, sending shock waves through the industry. Mercedes-Benz CEO Alanis stressed the importance of this investment, warning that without it, the company's combustion engine division could face serious challenges as early as 2027 or 2028. The urgency comes from tightening emissions regulations, specifically the upcoming Euro 7 and China 7 standards. Euro 7, set to take effect on July 1, 2025, will introduce the toughest emission limits ever, requiring all new petrol and diesel vehicles to meet incredibly low nitrogen oxide emissions, just 60 milligrams. For environmental advocates, these regulations are seen as a huge win in the fight against climate change. But for Mercedes, it's a call to innovate and push its engine technology to new heights before the electric revolution takes full hold. But what makes Mercedes' new engine so revolutionary? How did they push the limits of engineering? Let's take a closer look at the decline of EVs and global driving trends. The global shift towards electric vehicles is facing unexpected bumps in the road. While many once believed that EVs would dominate the future of transportation, the excitement is starting to wane. A range of factors are contributing to this slowdown, from high prices to the impracticality of charging infrastructure. As a result, many drivers are holding off on buying EVs, unsure if they are truly worth the investment right now. Mercedes-Benz has recently recognized this trend, becoming the latest major automaker to see the fluctuating demand for electric vehicles. In January 2024, Renault, another big player, decided to delay its plans to list its EV division on the stock market due to unfavorable conditions. Similarly, General Motors scaled back its ambitious EV production targets because of a drop in consumer interest. This backdrop of cooling demand has caused many in the industry to rethink their strategies. Against this shifting landscape, it's no surprise that Mercedes-Benz CEO Alanis emphasized the importance of staying flexible rather than charging full speed ahead into an all-electric future. The company is adopting a more cautious approach, balancing the traditional internal combustion engine lineup with its EV offerings. Experts are calling this strategy a wise move to protect Mercedes' global market position while riding the ups and downs of the EV transition. The issue, many experts explain, is that switching to an EV involves more than just choosing a new car. It requires a complete mindset shift. Drivers have to fully buy into the urgency of climate change and accept the changes that come with owning an EV, such as navigating the still-developing charging infrastructure. On top of that, the high costs of EVs must be justified for the average consumer. Until these challenges are resolved, automakers like Mercedes and Renault won't be ditching their internal combustion engines anytime soon. This shift is already evident in Mercedes-Benz revised forecasts. Where they once predicted that all electric vehicles would make up the majority of their sales, they now expect only 50% of their sales to come from electric models. This is a significant step down from the more optimistic goals shared in their previous financial reports. Mercedes has made it clear that gasoline and hybrid vehicles will remain a key part of their lineup for the foreseeable future. They've acknowledged that the pace of change will ultimately be determined by market conditions and consumer demand. This measured approach allows Mercedes to cater to a wide range of consumer needs well into the 2030s, whether through electrified combustion engines, hybrids, or fully electric drivetrains. The automaker plans to stay competitive in a market that's still figuring out the future of transportation. For those waiting for an all-electric Mercedes lineup, it's going to take some time. But in the meantime, Mercedes is still producing some of the best internal combustion engines on the market, reminding everyone that they are not ready to say goodbye to gasoline just yet. The M139 engine, a masterpiece of engineering. As the electric vehicle market faces significant hurdles, automotive giants like Ford and General Motors are rethinking their plans. Some models have been scrapped altogether, while the launch of new EV factories has been delayed. The numbers tell the story. EVs accounted for only 8% of total car sales in the US last year, and while Europe saw a higher share at 13%, the market still seems stuck. This stagnation has led companies like Mercedes-Benz to refocus on their traditional strengths. They've made a bold move by unveiling the revolutionary M139 engine. This isn't just any engine. The M139 is the world's most powerful four-cylinder engine, and Mercedes is pouring $15 billion into making it even better. Any car enthusiast knows that four-cylinder engines don't typically pack the same punch as their larger six- and eight-cylinder counterparts, but the auto industry can't seem to get enough of them. Turbocharged four cylinders offer a practical solution. They deliver the power of larger engines while being more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly. The M139 delivers an astonishing 469 horsepower, making it a game-changer in its class. Its versatility, efficiency, and performance are setting new benchmarks in automotive engineering, proving that internal combustion engines still have a vital role to play in the future of transportation. Mercedes-Benz is proving that internal combustion engines aren't going anywhere just yet. Yet, even in the face of the EV surge, the company shows that traditional engines can still roar to life. Tobias Mo, the former chair of AMG, couldn't contain his excitement when discussing one of the company's greatest creations, the M139 engine. He proudly highlighted how the M139 redefines what a turbocharged engine can achieve, stating, "We already set the benchmark with the previous engine. But with the M139, we've once again demonstrated the unparalleled expertise of Mercedes-AMG." Mo emphasized the engine's unmatched power output per liter and its incredible efficiency, showcasing the untapped potential of internal combustion engines. This masterpiece was meticulously crafted at Mercedes-AMG's renowned Affalterbach facility, adhering to the company's one-man, one-engine philosophy. Each engine is hand-assembled by a master builder who signs it upon completion, symbolizing the care and dedication invested in every unit. For loyal Mercedes customers who haven't embraced EVs, the M139 is more than an engine, it's a statement. It continues the legacy of high-performance internal combustion engines in an era increasingly dominated by EVs like Tesla. The M139's innovative assembly process sets it apart. Mercedes-AMG introduced a sophisticated system where technicians work on mobile trolleys that move from station to station, tracking the entire assembly process and ensuring precision. Gone are traditional overhead tools. Instead, cordless fasteners equipped with indoor GPS adjust torque automatically based on tool positioning. Robotic parts carts follow each technician, eliminating trips to parts racks and streamlining workflow. The result is a seamless and efficient production line. Performance-wise, the M139 impresses with a peak output of 469 horsepower, rivaling larger engines. Its high-strength chill-cast closed-deck aluminum block withstands combustion pressures exceeding 2,300 psi, a level typical of diesel engines. Innovations like AMG's patented nanoslide coating on piston liners, the switch to ZERW20 oil, redesigned cylinder heads, larger exhaust valves, and a two-stage fuel injection system ensure optimal power and efficiency. The engine's twin-scroll turbocharger, equipped with roller bearings and an electronic wastegate actuator, maximizes performance by splitting the turbine housing into two flow passages connected to pairs of cylinders. This prevents exhaust pulse interference, delivering smooth and powerful acceleration. Cooling is another area where the M139 excels. Using a combination of water, oil, and air, its advanced system maintains optimal temperatures even under high boost pressures. A high-flow electric water pump ensures efficient circulation, while a secondary radiator tucked in the front fender well aids cooling. Separate cooling circuits for the engine block and cylinder head further enhance performance under high-power conditions. S models also integrate the air conditioning system to lower intercooler temperatures during intense use. The M139 engine is a testament to Mercedes-AMG's commitment to internal combustion innovation in an EV-focused world. As the automotive landscape shifts, Mercedes continues to demonstrate its mastery of high-performance engineering beyond engines. Mercedes-Benz has a storied history of innovation, beginning with Carl Benz's 1886 motor wagon, which transformed transportation forever. Collaborating with Gottlieb Daimler, Benz laid the foundation for an enduring legacy of precision, luxury, and performance. In 1967, Hans-Werner Aufrecht and Erhard Melcher elevated this legacy by establishing AMG, which transformed Mercedes vehicles into racing legends. Their breakthrough came in 1971 with a victory at the 24 Hours of Spa, solidifying AMG's reputation. AMG's innovations, from revolutionary cylinder heads in the 1980s to iconic models like the Hammer, redefined luxury and performance. By the 1990s, Mercedes-Benz strategic alliances, such as the partnership with Daimler-Chrysler, positioned it as a leader in high-performance vehicles. The acquisition of AMG in 2005 marked a transformative shift, turning the brand into a major player in luxury car manufacturing. Today, Mercedes balances its rich heritage with forward-thinking innovation, leading the way in high-performance electric vehicles and sustainable technology. At the heart of this evolution is the Affalterbach facility, where tradition meets cutting-edge engineering, ensuring that Mercedes-Benz remains a symbol of excellence and innovation in the automotive world. Advanced technology and a deep-rooted passion for racing combine to create some of the most powerful engines in the world. Each year, the facility roars to life as new engines are meticulously crafted, continuing the legacy of performance that Mercedes-AMG is known for. As they forge ahead, the future of Mercedes-AMG promises to be both thrilling and transformative, blending speed, luxury, and sustainability in ways never imagined before. The true magic of the Affalterbach factory lies in its people. Around 1,500 highly skilled employees work here, each dedicated to the one-man, one-engine philosophy. This isn't just a catchy slogan. It's a genuine practice that sets this factory apart. Every engine is carefully built by hand, with one person responsible for assembling the entire engine from start to finish. This personal touch ensures an unparalleled level of attention to detail, making the mass production methods used by other manufacturers seem almost outdated by comparison. But don't mistake this factory for being stuck in the past. Affalterbach is a dynamic hub of continuous innovation, where old-world craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. It's like watching a perfect blend of art and science unfold before your eyes. Imagine precision tools like a GPS system that helps engineers tighten bolts to exact specifications, ensuring perfect accuracy every time, or think of automated carts seamlessly delivering the exact parts needed by the engineers right when they are required. This combination of human expertise and technological advancement creates an environment that thrives on precision and creativity. Every engine that comes out of Affalterbach isn't just another product. It's a masterpiece of engineering. From the careful hands that build it to the advanced systems that assist, this factory is a place where innovation and tradition work hand in hand, making it one of the most respected centers of engine production in the world. Here, the future of performance is being crafted one engine at a time with passion and precision driving every step of the process. Mercedes-Benz's remarkable success is driven by technological innovations that have revolutionized its engine manufacturing process. These innovations make engines run smoothly, and ensure every Mercedes-Benz engine retains a personal touch that makes it special. The factory is more than just a production line. It's alive with energy and creativity. The bold red and white racing stripes that cover the walls are a constant reminder of the company's racing heritage, symbolizing its unwavering focus on speed, precision, and performance. This isn't just a workspace. It's a place designed to inspire. Like a locker room before a championship game, here the engineers are motivated to channel their passion into every engine they build, ensuring perfection in every detail. Much like a top athlete needs to balance strength and agility, Mercedes-Benz engines are crafted to achieve a delicate equilibrium between raw power and efficiency. The star of the show is the M139 four-cylinder engine, prominently displayed in the factory as a testament to what compact engines can achieve. It's a marvel of engineering that breaks traditional boundaries, offering performance typically reserved for larger engines while remaining fuel-efficient. This engine sets a new standard, pushing the industry forward in ways that leave competitors in awe. Though the factory isn't open for general visits, Mercedes-Benz offers special tours to its customers, allowing a privileged few to step inside and witness the magic firsthand. These exclusive tours provide a behind-the-scenes look at the intricate craftsmanship that goes into creating each vehicle. Visitors walk through the customer center, marvel at the precision at the Mercedes-Benz Performance Studio, and even glimpse the engine shop where the fusion of human skill and cutting-edge technology produces engines that power some of the world's finest cars. When it comes to building these high-performance engines, it all starts with the cylinder liners. Here, traditional craftsmanship and modern technology blend seamlessly. These liners are polished to a mirror-like finish, significantly reducing friction and boosting engine power. What sets them apart is their incredible durability, thanks to advanced technology first introduced in the M156 V8 engine. These cylinder liners have since become a signature feature of Mercedes-Benz, with a special coating that ensures an exceptionally smooth surface. This is essential for the two-stage fuel injection system, where high-precision injectors pump fuel into the combustion chambers at extreme pressure. Solenoid valves control the flow into the intake manifold, creating an unmatched level of performance. But it's not just about the specs. What really makes these engines unique is the human touch. Each engine is assembled by a single technician who works on it from start to finish, treating it as their personal masterpiece. The technician's name is even stamped on a plaque affixed to the engine, a testament to their dedication and expertise. This personal involvement ensures superior quality and contributes to Mercedes-Benz's reputation for reliability. The meticulous engineering doesn't stop there. After the cylinder liners are prepped, the process continues with advanced cooling systems that enhance both power and durability. These cooling systems are nothing short of genius. Imagine a system so advanced it can manage two separate temperature zones within the same engine. The cylinder head, where combustion generates extreme heat, is kept cool by a high-performance water pump, allowing the engine to maintain maximum power output. This cooling system ensures that every spark ignites at precisely the right moment, squeezing every ounce of power from the fuel. In the crankcase, the strategy is different. Warmer temperatures are preferred. Warm oil reduces friction and allows the engine's moving parts to operate more smoothly, leading to better performance and longevity. This intelligent temperature management system is further enhanced by an electrically driven water pump, which ensures that the crankcase gets exactly the right amount of cooling. It's a carefully orchestrated balance of heat and coolness that keeps the engine running like a finely tuned machine. All of these components, the advanced cooling systems, two-stage fuel injection, and nanosilicon-coated cylinder liners, work in harmony to fight against friction and heat, resulting in an engine that offers both breathtaking power and incredible efficiency. Mercedes-Benz takes great pride in these achievements, knowing that each engine they build is a masterpiece of engineering. As the final stage of assembly approaches, the atmosphere in the factory becomes charged with intensity. This is where everything comes together. The engine blocks, cylinder heads, crankshafts, and pistons are carefully checked and pieced together with precision. The engineer overseeing this process isn't just a mechanic, but more like a conductor orchestrating the assembly with a combination of skill and authority. Every step is slow and deliberate, with advanced computer programs and augmented reality guiding the process, ensuring that every part is placed perfectly. Yet, this level of craftsmanship, combined with cutting-edge technology, is what makes Mercedes-Benz engines truly world-class. When Mercedes-Benz announced its much-delayed timeline for the switch to electric vehicles, it caused quite a stir in the auto industry. Many companies, such as Toyota, have already been criticized for delaying their EV production in favor of a broader hybrid strategy, so it wasn't a surprise when Mercedes faced similar criticism. However, it's important to note that despite using internal combustion engines in some of its models, Mercedes has been able to achieve better fuel and thermal efficiency compared to many of its competitors. One shining instance of this innovation is the M139 engine, a true powerhouse on the road. Despite its high performance, this engine is designed with advanced technology that ensures impressive fuel efficiency, ultimately reducing carbon emissions. The results speak for themselves. The Mercedes CLA 45S 4MATIC, which is powered by the M139, delivers remarkable fuel efficiency, achieving an EPA rating of 20 miles per gallon in the city, 29 on the highway, and a combined 25 miles per gallon. This balance of power and efficiency shows that Mercedes is striving to achieve the best of both worlds: high performance while being environmentally conscious. Of course, Mercedes-Benz remains a luxury brand, meaning that not everyone can easily afford its latest models. However, there's a sense of optimism. Even though the technology used in everyday Mercedes cars and its Formula One division differs, the company is always sharing and transferring technological advances between divisions. This means that as Mercedes continues to push the envelope with both EVs and performance cars, its groundbreaking technology will likely trickle down to more accessible models in the future. In 2017, the Mercedes-AMG Formula One team accomplished something truly remarkable. While other teams were focusing on improving their engines, Mercedes took a giant leap forward by achieving an astonishing 50% thermal efficiency in their engines. This achievement was not just about making faster cars, but was part of Formula One's broader goal to reduce carbon emissions. That year, Mercedes dominated the sport in every aspect. Lewis Hamilton clinched the Drivers' Championship, Mercedes won the Constructors' Championship, and their car was the most environmentally friendly on the grid. At the heart of this success was Mercedes' cutting-edge 1.6L turbocharged V6 engine. Dyno tests revealed that the engine exceeded 50% thermal efficiency, meaning that over half of the energy from the fuel was effectively converted into power rather than being wasted as heat or noise. This was a huge leap forward, as most engines in the industry only manage around 35% efficiency. Mercedes achieved this by focusing intensely on the core principles of thermodynamics, including optimizing gas exchange processes and improving combustion efficiency. The team also worked hard to minimize waste and friction, developing specialized oils and advanced technologies to convert exhaust heat into electrical power. Their Formula One power unit features two motor generators. One drives the rear wheels, while the other helps to spool the turbocharger. This advanced engineering not only helped Mercedes excel on the track, but also underscored their commitment to environmentally conscious performance. The precision and craftsmanship of the engine echo Mercedes-AMG's achievements with their M139 engine, though for vastly different purposes. While these engines may not be directly comparable, what's clear is that Mercedes has the capability to lead the industry into the future. Mercedes-Benz continues to lead the way in both reducing emissions and maintaining high-performance standards. Their ability to blend power and efficiency shows that Mercedes is not just staying in the game. They are setting the pace for the future of automotive technology. Mercedes-Benz is relentlessly improving its M139 engine, ensuring it remains a powerful force in the automotive world. This strategy is designed to keep all key stakeholders, customers, investors, and industry insiders excited about the company's positive growth. According to CEO Ola Kalinius, Mercedes wants everyone to know they are fully capable of continuing to produce combustion engines while also preparing to roll out faster, more advanced technology that will carry the company into the future. In fact, Mercedes has plans to introduce updates so significant that it will feel like an entirely new lineup by 2027, pushing innovation well into the 2030s. These upgrades demonstrate the automaker's confidence in balancing tradition with forward-thinking advancements. After the controversial announcement about their future engine plans, Mercedes shares surged by 5.9%, signaling investor confidence. The announcement was quickly followed by a $3.3 billion share buyback program, further underscoring the company's solid financial footing. This rise in stock value is clear evidence that Mercedes-Benz is moving in the right direction, even if it stirs debate around their public image. While some may question their continued focus on combustion engines, Mercedes is determined to refine and evolve its M139 engine to meet the demands of the next decade. By the looks of it, the iconic roar of the M139 will still be heard well into the 2030s, proving that Mercedes is not just surviving but thriving as they blend performance with cutting-edge technology for the future. What do you think of Mercedes's groundbreaking innovations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.